Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this metal garden hose splitter from Two Ways. Thank you guys for sending this. It never ever ceases to amaze me the amount of times you need to have a splitter on a garden hose. We've got an external one here. It actually comes out of the ground, and this is really nice. This is actually a fully, completely metal body. It's got copper fittings, brass, and all this is actually metal underneath, kind of a little sleeve that they've got on here with these pieces here that adjust, and a ball bearing in there to allow that to go through. And they even send you with some extra hose little grommets that go in here because you never are going to have enough of those. So simple operation, going to put that on there. I'm loving the fact that this has these little tabs out here that helps with moving around with your fingers. So if you're having a little trouble with fingers, it actually allows you to tighten that on there really well, which is nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Doesn't leak, which is nice. And then you're going to simply turn this operation here to allow full operation, or if you need two operations, like you're going to be running two different hoses, you of course can do that as well. Shut them off, everything gets shut down. So this would make a great addition to anybody's yard.